kumanya rwariganirwa n'umurikito Caroline Mausa chinkwana chigati y'Abasae kurwase county ya Nyamira bono baburi gukweneka bunango yasoke bari na kuriya ebirogo ao asoba choryo banne bo mwaka bw'ekirubere 2052 eri KORENTA Oborai obuya kaukwana bari kyamangana oyo kuriye kirogo ky'obugabana se county ya Nyamira Abednego Maina nigasabire kyombe kirigete toba chori ne chimbebe kya IEBC kubeka abakarani baisaina se bitu ao byokorikia bakikikura eri kweneka buna Abasae bange nkwirikia bare banyana bo nigo basabire abarai bari barase birogo kuna boigo bari bakuriye birogo ao kubakonya Abasae urenchire moyo kwirikia irigo KORENTA AMAONCHORERIA se Oborai borebosi.
The time has come for us to make sure that we have change in the leadership in our country. And the only way we can have change is for us, the youth, to stand up, to end to seek registration, voter registration. Because we know that we have the numbers, but our numbers don't show when it comes to the day of election. And that's why today I'm reminding all the youths, we have talked online, we have demonstrated, and we have seen how the leadership of this country has decided to divide us. And now it's time for us to go and show them that our numbers matters. And for ourselves to take over the leadership of this country, we must rise up, register as voters, and we remind the IBC to make sure that they have enough staffs all over the locations where people need to register as voters. By more goons, we are killing the youths of this country by encouraging them to start fighting. So I'm talking to the politicians. We know you are capable. You have the resources, which much of them you have stolen. But don't use them to kill our people, to create an environment that is going to cause chaos in this country. So let's try to have a peaceful opposition, a peaceful people opposing each other. But let's not fight. Let's not encourage people to fight. If you don't have an idea, an ideology, just don't fight for the seat instead of encouraging people to fight.